Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's Thursday, May 1st, 2025. It's the start of a new month, guys. As I like to say, it's a new month / new day filled with new opportunities, and we're here to capitalize on these opportunities. We're starting a new approach for May. One trade a day, that's it. Win or lose, we're calling it a day, wrapping it up, and at the end of the month, we're going to see how the P&L looks like. We're going to track all our trades, make sure we journal everything, and we'll see how it all ends up. So let's take a look at the charts, see what levels that we might see, and any trades we might take. All right, guys, here we are on the charts. Currently 6:50 in the morning. News just came out at 6:45. We also have some news later on at 7 o'clock. Currently, prices just looks like it's chopping around. As you guys see, this is the hourly on ES, hourly on NQ here on the right. Price did have a pivot point here that came down, tapped into it. Looked like it gave a nice little bounce on both ES and NQ. This was actually the Asia low, and NQ swept the London low. Gate is given a clean reaction bounce off of that. We do have some liquidity up here on ES. If price wants to come up there, tap into that. NQ has a 4-hour liquidity from a couple days ago, all the way back here from April 2nd. So about a month ago. Created this nice wick all the way up here. If price wants to come up there, tap into that level. I'll be interested in a possible rejection. Other than that, guys, price looks like it's just kind of just chopping around. So it might be in this tight little range. Might be taking traders in, taking traders out, and washing them around there. So going to be super patient today. As you guys know, taking one trade a day. Don't want to be risking on poor setups, on bad setups. So we'll make sure that liquidity's been swept and we get a clean setup, and we'll make sure to jump into it, right? Once the trade presents itself, there's nothing else for me to do. No ifs, ands, or buts. Got to jump into it. And I'll let you guys know here in a couple minutes after the news comes out. Okay, guys, possible NQ short here. If we get this candle to close below this gap. Looks like it's going to, but and we're in on that trade there. Let me go ahead and adjust my stop losses, take profits, and I'll let you guys know the reason behind it. Okay, guys, so the reason behind this trade, as I called out in the morning analysis on the 4-hour, you guys see this wick that came all the way across. Price has gone above and beyond all that, and this is the first gap on the. This is on the 1 minute. It was a very small 5.25 point gap. This is the first time price has closed below that, and that's the reasoning behind the trade. As you guys can see here, price has just kind of been going up, not really leaving much in terms of gaps here. It's just been on a steady grind since price broke out of this range here in the morning. So that is the reason behind it. Again, it's 8:30 right now, 2 hours into the market open. It's just been here waiting patiently and just hanging around. Pretty boring trading for me. I have stuff to work on the other side here of my desk, and that's what I've been focused on today, so I haven't been able to really do much. Again, pretty boring trading. We're in it now. Looks like it's working against me. It is what it is. We're going to do the one and done today, regardless of the outcome of the trade, and I'll go ahead and update you guys here in a bit. Might be a quick one since it is a pretty tight stop loss, but I'll update you shortly. All right, guys, here we are back on the chart. Been a couple minutes since we entered the trade, about 8 minutes. I kind of wanted to let you guys know a little, or let you in further in my mind to like what I'm thinking and stuff. The only thing about that though is most of the time I do close the charts. I'm not even looking at it just to make my emotions a little bit less, and I focus on work stuff and everything else. I do check on it from time to time. Like right now, I just gave it a look, and it's just consolidating right now. If price breaks, it's gonna either break above or below these pivots right here. And whatever direction it does decide to go in, that's going to be what, if I'm going to get taken out for a loser or a profit here, these are the pivots that I look for. But again, to keep my emotions in check, I just don't look at the charts. I wish I had more for you guys. I wish it was more exciting and something like you guys could really enjoy, but this is really how I trade. This is how I take the emotions out of it for the most part. And while I'm working on other stuff, not looking at the charts, I'm just thinking in my mind, hey man, you said one and done for the day, one and done for the month, and we need to just follow through with that. So I'm accepting the loser if it is a loser. That's what I keep telling myself while I'm working off screen, and it is what it is, right? I do not control the outcome. There's a flip of the coin. Throughout the month, I'm expecting my probabilities to play in my favor, and eventually, just if this one is a loser, that's the short term, and long term, we're planning on growing the equity curve. So I'll probably come back around 8:50 and update you guys here on my emotions if I'm still in the trade. Again, I'm not going to look at it for a couple minutes. That's just what I do. Maybe it's something that you guys could learn or pick up on, and maybe it will help you guys in your emotions too. But I'll be back in a little bit, and I'll update you guys on the trade. All right, guys, here we are back on the charts. As you guys can see here, trade ended up working for full plus 2R about 12 minutes after the last little clip. Again, I don't watch the charts. I don't look at it. I don't know what's going on for most of the trade. Again, it's a coin flip. It's a random outcome. It doesn't matter. Whatever levels I have marked out on the chart, it could bounce off of them. It could not. It could do this. It could do that. But I don't control that, right? If I knew where the market direction was going, I'd be a millionaire by now. Just like you guys, just like me, I don't know where the market is going, and it could go either direction. If I just don't look at the charts, it takes all that emotion out of my mind. I don't know what's going on with it, and it could do whatever it wants to, right? My take profits are set, my stop loss is set, and let it ride. So right now it looks like it's kind of just dumping off, but we are out of it. We took our plus 2R on the day. I'll go ahead and show you guys the Apex accounts. All accounts are in the green, plus $400. One of the accounts, again, another trade copy issuer for some reason. It didn't get in. I had to manually enter in on the trade. And I don't know what's going on with that, but here you guys have it. I'll show you guys the performance for the day. Okay, guys, so here you guys can see one trade, one winner, 0 losers, plus $400. That's 2R. You guys can see here in the trade for 18 minutes, 31 seconds. As well, I wanted to mention drawdown again on these accounts. It's all the way at the highs. It's going pretty good right now. Hopefully we can keep this going. Here you guys have my funded futures. Plus $400. Some of these this account is eligible for payout now. We have our 5 trading days in the green. These 2 accounts, I kind of want to grow these. We'll see how we end up playing this out. As of now, I'm not even considering a payout, but they are eligible now. Tradeify. Here you guys can see the accounts, 4 accounts, all green. This one was the one that didn't take the trade yesterday, but fortunately the drawdown today with this winner, basically at the highs as well. So pretty decent. There you guys have it. I know it is a little bit boring. Again, I don't look at the charts. I don't execute anything. That's kind of what my trading is. It's very boring. I just sit around for 2 hours today, and I basically didn't do much. I get in the trade. Whatever happens, again, I don't control that. If I knew the direction the market was going, then I'd be a millionaire, right? If you knew where the direction the market was going, you'd be a millionaire by now. But we just don't know that. Every trade has the random outcome. It doesn't matter how good the setup might be. Might be the best A+++ setup you might take. Doesn't matter. Something could come up, market, Trump, news, tweet, something crazy. You just don't control that. So the way I deal with my emotions is I just don't look at the charts. Don't put too much thought to it. Once I'm in, I'm in. There's nothing much I can do. And thankfully today it worked out for a full plus 2R target. So again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Starting off May on a good note. If you guys, let me know what you guys think. Hit the like button. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you guys' start of the month is going. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Peace.